What do we got here?
Oh, we got ourselves a penguin, baby. World's tallest 3D printed penguin.
Probably. Honestly.
I mean, 6 feet. I don't know if anybody's beaten that one, but if you have, please let me know.
Honestly, it'd be hilarious to just leave it in there.
Yeah, honestly, yeah. Just carry it around everywhere. Okay. That ain't going nowhere.
No.
Carbon fiber actually helps grip.
That's a good photo op right there.
It is.
Oh yeah.
How are you videoing?
Yeah, a little bit.
Go.
Dang, Greg.
Dang. Oh yeah.
That's nice.
This is awesome.
Like if we point them like a little bit toward the road. See what that looks like.
That's pretty awesome.
I'll pour a little footing for him so that